Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to clear frequently used emojis on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the fastest way to clear your frequently used emojis on an iPhone is to reset your keyboard's dictionary. This reverts your emoji keyboard back to its factory default setup. Now, first up, let's go ahead and find our iPhone settings. Tap on it. And then go ahead and find General right here. Just tap. At the very bottom, you have Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on Reset. Okay. Tap. And then you have Reset Keyboard Dictionary. So just tap on it. Now enter your passcode. And then finally, just tap on Reset Dictionary. All right. So once you tap on it, your frequently used emoji section will immediately reset to a standard set of default emojis. And this process will not delete your photos, okay? Or even contacts, apps, or text messages. And do take note that this will also delete any custom words you have typed over time that your phone or iPhone learned to stop autocorrecting. However, your official text replacement shortcuts will remain completely safe and untouched. And that is how you clear frequently used emojis on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.